All right, looking at the Dow today, Dow Jones, it is June 11th, 2026, and it is 10:54. And we're looking at the Dow. I want to see if this bad boy is looking to fall or if he's looking to jump back up. But I like the overall market on a drop down. So this is the first trade. Got a supposed to be a $300 stop loss, so supposed to be up here somewhere. But let's go ahead and let you guys see at least the actual trades, just to see if it's gonna. You guys can see the P&L, all that good stuff. Well, it seems the bad boy's gonna drop, and where it's gonna drop, it could come down to the 30s. So we'll mark it just in case. It could pull down here, which should be good, right? And walk away with a few dollars. But based on just the overall market, is bearish in my book. And now I'm hoping they can get down here, tap into this area, and we'll scale out a little bit, contract by contract. All right. Now, if it's pushing tough down in this area toward the pre-low and the pre-close, which is down at 49926 on the Dow, it could be an area to take profit, but we'll see if it breaks this area first, and then we'll see what it wants to do. All right, so we're watching the Dow. Let me see. Could have a little kickback, but let me scale out this bad boy in time. Let's see. Got about 35 seconds left. 11 o'clock is approaching. About 3 minutes left before 11. So I don't want to get caught up and not take any profits. So let's see if we can dip into here, and then maybe we'll see where the next adjustment comes from. But it could pop from here. Look what it did. Came up again. So I'm cautious, but hopefully it dips into this area first. So let's see. This okay. What the order came in? So this is the hard stop right at 300. I don't want it to get up there, so that's just a hard stop. We'll look at possibly getting out at these moving averages, hopefully. And they're both flat, so it could drop down or it could come back up, but just being careful and cautious. Less than 2 minutes before 11 o'clock. Why am I calling 11 o'clock out? I don't know. Things happen at these top of the hours. Okay, so just being vigilant and on the defense just in case. All right, the Dow's taking a little dive. We're hoping it would. Let's see, it's down to the 50. I'm gonna take one off just in case. And leaves me with a $23 profit so far. So anybody want to lose today? Nah, not today. So we'll at least get the break even. See if this bad boy can drop down there anyway. If it drops under here, then I feel like maybe we're in better shape. But the market has been bouncing crazy this whole week. So I'm cool walking away with a green day, no matter how much it is. All right. It's all about to me, the art of trading. Money is the secondary, of course, but we all need the money. But, you know, seeing a trade workout is almost as beautiful. um, so let's see if this bounce is going to occur or if it's actually going to stay down and make a few big more candles. Let's see. Did it tap it like I wanted it to? Minute 22nd on this candle. All right, I'll take a little bit more off. I'm up $53 now as it continues to drop. All right. And this is still a prop account. Not a prop account. It's an eval. It's not funded, so it's an eval. So we're just gonna work until we get to funded. Hopefully, maybe by next week, if everything goes well and I can stick to my rules and be disciplined, and maybe we can come out with a winner. So that's what we're aiming for, and that's what we're looking for right now. We're looking at the Dow, and the Dow is looking pretty good. We can always get a bounce from here, so I'm still cautious, but it looks pretty good. All right, so get a little reaction here, but play it smart. I'll take another one off. If it does come up and take this candle out, I'll take off another contract. You never know. It could bounce, right? So I'm being cautious. And I think that's the most important part with trading is you can have your plan and it can go against you. And of course it happens a lot. But man, sometimes you got to play defense and take some money while you're in the trade, right? That's why I use multiple contracts. Please don't listen to this. It's not a good idea for a lot of people. But for me, I get to take some off, right? And I can actually leave with a winning day no matter what. And if it goes down and continues down here, great. If it doesn't, great. Maybe I could walk away with 200, $200. It's not bad. I mean, in prop firm world, it doesn't seem crazy, but when you're trading your personal account, that's beautiful money, right? And I made already $300 on my personal last night, right? So now I'm done with that, and we'll just focus on this account and see what we can walk away with. But yeah, don't be ashamed if you target an area that could have been a reversal and then it happens, and you do nothing about it. It's okay, right? You can't panic. You just got to trade, right? Trade. Just be careful, but trade. All right, so we're still in this trade. Um, it could be tickering down. I mean, I would love to see it come down and close below here, but it doesn't necessarily have to happen. So we're just gonna see if it does that, and that'd be great. And maybe we can continue to slaughter the downtrend at least before it takes me out. Either way, I'm in profit. $76. At least I'm gonna let that go to waste. So this likely probably my only trade. It is 11:06. I usually trade the open or around the open, but I had prior engagement. So today we're just in it just to make a little bit of money and continue with the plan. Moving kind of slow, taking a sweet time. Um, so let's just see what happens. But I do like the 2 minute and correspond with the 10 minute. Last night I traded a 10 minute was my entry chart, and then I was looking at high time frames. But 2 minute usually runs pretty smooth, but you missed that quick jump. If you missed that open move, the either up or the down, then it starts trickling. So hopefully it tricks down and doesn't come back and takes us out. But if it does, this video is worth watching, I think. Here we go. All right. Not too crazy. All right. And I had a feeling that it was going to bounce from here just based on previous data. And I was right. But I'm okay with that. Right. I'm okay with being right. I got a good trade in, made $77. And honestly, I can call it a day. Right. It's not much, but I would have lost probably on this trade. All right. Unless it comes back down and start trickling. But I'm okay. I'm not against it. I've been doing this for a while. So making a little bit of money, making a lot of money is kind of all the same to me. But either way, getting a payout is what you really care about. All right. All right. Well, what I did today, shorted the Dow, saw the 20 to 200 in alignment and took a stab at it, caught a move down, and voila, we're out the game. All right. If you did this, good job. If you didn't, good job. Maybe learn a lesson from that and come back tomorrow. All right. It's Jeffrey with F.I.T. Trade. You got to stay fit.